Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock password to your phone. So the best solution in such case would be trying to remember the password that you entered the last time. So give it a couple of tries, take your time, and try to recall the password. And if you really can't do that, then the other best solution would be to try and contact Samsung customer support service and let them know about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of this device to them, they will surely help you out. And if this isn't an option for you either, then you can perform a factory reset operation on your phone, and if you do that, it will remove everything from your device, so your files, your data, all your personal information, but you will be able to regain access to your device once again. And you can do this remotely if you have Find My Device feature enabled on your phone. So basically, if you have a Google account connected to your phone and you haven't disabled this feature yet, in such case, just go to the Find Hub website on Google, log into it using the Google account that is connected to this phone, and then find the device on the list and remove everything from it by pressing factory reset. And if you want to perform the factory reset operation locally, then then you'll have to use recovery tools. And if you don't know how to access or use them on your phone, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step, so you won't miss anything. And that will be all for this video. So if you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.